Hello guys, welcome to the course of Adobe Premiere Pro Beginner to Expert. In this lesson, I am going to discuss about how to create a lower thirds in Adobe Premiere Pro. If we want to add a lower thirds here in this footage or any footage, first of all, we'll click a type tool and write here. Suppose we write a name, Sandy. We'll write project manager. So from here after that we'll reposition this here and we'll scale it down, and then suppose we choose the color for fill to anyone. Okay, we can create a shape layer from here. We'll bring up the text here. From here we can create also shape, and first of all we have to select the text layer. So if we choose the color to this one, it looked like this. And if we apply a effect called linear wipe on this layer, and if we increase the transition duration time, after that we will insert a keyframe for transition completion. We'll insert a keyframe here 100%, and here it will be 0%, and we'll give the wipe angle to 70. So
in the advertising space.
That's how we can create a
Clients in the advertising space.
That's how we can make it.
Clients in the advertising space, and I've been there for a couple of years now, and I really work across all of our different teams.
That's how we can make a lower third for our videos. We can scale this down, total scale, and we position it also. Okay.
By clients in the advertising.
Yes, you can see.
Clients in the advertising space, and I've been there for a
lower third with an animation we created, and if we increase the gaps between the animation transition completion, the animation will be
clients in the advertising space
slower. If we select this is in or out, this is out.
Clients in the advertising space.
It is much smoother animation. You can also apply cross dissolve here,
All the way completed through the agency.
so it will be a nice effect.
Completed through
the lower third will disappear more attractively. This lower third is disappeared more attractively.
Completed through the agency. I've worked at a couple of the clients in the advertising space, and I've been there for a couple of years now, and I really work across all of our different teams to get the project all the way completed through the agency.
So that's it for this lesson. We'll come up with a new topics on Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you.